our a'mal, our actions, when it goes, our a'mal also gets scanned. It comes in one hadith where Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, when a believer makes dua and he calls out to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if he is a believer that is accustomed to doing good deeds all the time, and he is always making dua, always reading his masnoon du'as, or whatever dua he is continuously making, the angels say that this is a voice that is familiar. We recognize this voice. Every morning we hear him. Every evening we hear him. And they intercede in the court of Allah for the acceptance of his dua. On the other hand, if a believer is not accustomed to doing any good deeds, and then he falls into trouble, he comes into some difficulty, and then he starts invoking, the angels say that this is a strange voice. Sawtun munkar. We do not recognize this voice. It's very strange. And after that, the angels do not intercede for this voice. So that is why we should accustom ourselves to making dua. Make dua all the time. And the best way of making dua is to read the masnoon duas. We all entered the masjid. What is the dua for entering the masjid? Allahumma aftah li abwaba rahmati. Read durood and then Allahumma aftah li abwaba rahmati. What a beautiful dua, that, oh Allah, open the doors of your mercy upon us. When a person leaves the masjid, read durood, and thereafter, Allahumma inni as'aluka min fadlik. That, oh Allah, open the doors of your blessings upon us. Fadl of Allah, the bounties and favors of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If a person is accustomed to all these, then we receive the intercession of the angels.